How to get rid of screen time on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get rid of screen time on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to get rid of screen time on iPhone, if you have turned on screen time, you can just open up the settings app, then go to screen time. If you have screen time enabled and you want to disable it, scroll down to the bottom. And now previously there used to be an option called turn off screen time, but for some reason Apple removed that option. I'm not sure why. I'm really a bit frustrated right now because they removed this option. The only thing that they give me as an option is turn off app website and activity. So currently this is the only thing that we can do. We can just turn off app, website and the activity like this, and then this will basically turn off screen time in some way or other. Not completely, because it's still keeping over here, so it says screen time, understand how much time you spend. So currently it has basically went ahead and then turned off screen time for most of the activities, as you would be able to find here. Otherwise, if you want to, then you can also go to the screen distance and so on, communication limit, content and privacy restrictions. Just make sure to turn all of these off. Go to communication limit and turn all of these off. Go to screen distance and then turn all of these off as well. So if you have all of those, just turn everything off, and once you've turned all of that off, you can just say that screen time is turned off in this case. So hope this video will be helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.